Which Shekere is right for you? First up, we have the Cowrie Shekere, which has cowrie shells all around it. It has a 5 centimeter head and is made from natural gourd. This is actually our most popular Shekere. Next up, we have the small Gourd Shekere. This one has an 8 centimeter head, so it's slightly larger and has more presence. Let's see how it sounds. So definitely much louder. You could also shake it if you wanted to. Next up is the same instrument, but the much larger version of it. This is also made from natural gourd. It's crazy to think that this grows naturally, and it has a much bigger net with a lot more beads on it. This one actually has a hole here and it's hollowed. This actually makes it better for amplification, makes it much louder. You can actually tap it on your hand if you wanted to as well. Kind of works like a drum. Didn't even tap this bit. Finally, we have the Fiberglass Shekere, which is our largest Shekere. It has so many more beads. This one isn't made from gourd. It's a lot more bassier. This one's actually made in Indonesia. I don't think we can really shake this one. Not as it currently is, but it does have these fastener clips, so you can actually loosen it or tighten it however you want it. And it has another one here. If we loosen that, what's going to happen is it's going to allow us to separate the net a bit more. And now we can really use it as a shaker. And we're going to get a different sound. And this surface here, you can actually bash it. And we can also tap it. Anyway, if you want to check out any of these instruments, I will put a link in the description so that you can do that. Thank you so much for watching.